and gentlemen, presenting you Rupiah.
Percent of them being have the opportunity to truly reach their other big challenges, such as managing cash flows, disperse automating net and bank wires, comprehensive and innovative solution built over robust technology. With Rupiah Pay, let us revolutionize payments.
Loss of shopping cart details and uses multiple bank gateways so that the purchase is completed successfully and securely.
Use
We are in the mid of this development, and suddenly there was a lockdown. So there was a big hurdle in this, but the team of Harsha, Supriya, and all his teams and technical officials, they are sitting there. They are a pioneer in this development of this Rupiah Pay and this work. And we are really thankful to each and every person who are attending here. And see, one thing I'll say always, see, dreaming is common for all. But when you dream the thing and you make it, you bring it to the reality, that is the real thing. So they have worked day and night. They said there's no sleep. Up to 1 o'clock they work. I also used to go sometimes, visit with them. And today, and this is the product of this, and we are going to launching today, and we are going to live within 1 week on the next thing.
I started, as our chairman told, 6 months back, and a lot of effort has been put. So I invite with warm welcome our chief guest are present here to make this grand achievement a success. I would like to extend my special thanks to the chief guest and the dignitaries and the guests who are here to make the presence and make this ambience a great. I would great gratitude to all my staffs.
As time passes on, so almost we took 6 to 8 months to develop this product called Rupiah Pay, a payment gateway company. So this product will be launched on live on September 10th of next month. And the products will be, the launch of the product name will be RPay Mudra, the payment gateway of Rupiah Pay. And we'll be having multiple features in that and services also. And the second product will be RPay Punji, that is called capital. So whoever needs loan, we can provide for our merchants. And third product will be RPay Tej, that is called Express. So we use this name because now Atmanirbhar time is going on. So people definitely, they will be enthusiastic by, hearing this name. So that is the reason we have selected this name as our product.
CFO of our company, which is Rupiah Pay Payments India Private Limited. So firstly, I would like to thank all the dignitaries here present, who have made their time for Rupiah Pay. Your presence have enlightened us today. So Rupiah Pay, as you all know now, because everybody is going on telling when it has started and all that. So I'm sure you guys must be knowing about it. So next, basically we have planned. So our 5-year plan, what we have discussed right now is that to target our complete pan-India and also internationally to the targeted countries. By the end of the 5 years, we're going to have almost 25,000 merchants with us.
Yeah. Okay. Look here.
Next, I now call Prince on the stage. Please put your hands together. May I now Bharat Reddy on the stage.
So not only the founders, the entire initial team which is built here, you are the founding engineers, founding CFO, founding tester, founding solution architect. You should be really proud for what you have achieved today and what you have ahead. No better time for doing something like this in India. With COVID, so many people working from home or doing business from home or studying from home. It has created huge opportunity, at the same time major challenge in the market. The opportunity is because the digitization accelerated 5 times faster than before, which means everybody need access to internet, everybody need access to the transaction. At the same time, around 40% of the people doesn't have basic internet to do the transaction or basic